The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video: Fraction Division with Conversion into Decimals. Example 23 7 by 12 divided by 11 8 by 9. Let us take this problem 23 7 by 12 divided by 11 8 by 9. Let us change the fractions into decimals. Conversion of the fraction 7 by 12 into decimal becomes 0.58. Subject to limiting the decimal portion into 2 digits, as the conversion is actually 0.58333, etc. Therefore, the decimal number becomes 23.58. Similarly, conversion of the second fraction 8 by 9 into decimal becomes 0.89. Subject to limiting the decimal portion into 2 digits, as the conversion is actually 0.888 and going on. Therefore, the decimal number of the second fraction is 11.89. As the two decimal numbers have 2 digits in the decimal portions, we can multiply both by 100 and convert them as whole numbers, and therefore the two numbers will become 2358 and 1189. In this case, 2358 becomes the dividend and 1189 becomes the divisor. Now we have to perform the division process. Set the dividend in the right extreme of the abacus and set the dividend 2358 in the right extreme of the abacus and set the divisor 1189 in the left extreme of the abacus. Take the first digit of the divisor 1 and first digit of the dividend, which is 2. Therefore, we can take 1 as the assumed quotient and set it by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. Now, multiply 1 with 1189 and subtract the same from 2358. That is, subtract 1 from 2, 1 from 3, and for subtracting 8 from 5, you have to subtract 1 in the hundreds column and add 2 in the tens column. Finally, subtract 9 from 8 in the units column. For this, subtract 1 in the tens column and add 1 in the units column. Therefore, the remainder is 1169 and there is an empty column between the quotient and the remainder. Now the result is 1 as the whole number, 1169 divided by 1189 as the denominator. In dealing with the 4-digit fraction, finding a common divisor is a time-consuming process, but not difficult. First, we have to see whether the number can be divided by divisors 2 to 9. If we take the number 1169, the even divisors 2, 4, 6 and 8 cannot be divisors, as the last digit of the number 1169 is an odd number. Similarly, 5 cannot be a divisor, as the last digit is not a multiple of 5. That means we are left with 3, 7 and 9 to check their possibility as divisors. Here we can apply the divisibility rule too to detect the common divisors. In an earlier section, we had clearly explained how to find out whether a particular number is divisible by any divisor. The number 1169 is divisible by 7 alone, and therefore we have to find out whether the number 1189 can be divided by 7. We can notice that it is not, and therefore the numerator and denominator of the fraction do not have a common divisor. We can leave them as they are. If we calculate the actual decimal portion, it is 0.98. In the previous problem, when we did not convert the fraction into decimal portion, we got the remainder as 421 divided by 428, which also gives the value 0.98. Therefore, in both the methods, the results we get are the same, but the process may be difficult depending on the problem. Therefore, the child must be taught all options so that the right one may be selected on the basis of choice.